Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. Guys, where you can expect to find the fuse for the Tow Receptacle. We will actually show you on that generation Dodge Ram here. You need to open the hood. Once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side, you see in front of the car battery, you have that cover here, that box. That cover has two notches, one here, one there on the front. Press them and it opens. On the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the Tow Receptacle, guys, we need to check one fuse only. Now, quick advice, guys. Any of you guys that have that Dodge Ram will recommend to keep some spare fuses. You have all different kinds. We were in the middle of nowhere. We couldn't find a replacement fuse and we were stuck. So, piece of advice, always keep some spare ones, guys. The Tow Receptacle fuse is known as fuse number 30. Fuse numbers are really chaotic here. They go in all kind of different orders, but fuse number 30, for any of you looking to find it, guys, will be that 30 amp fuse in our case right here. Okay, that's the one that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.